Hey guys, today we're up in Baxter Springs, Kansas, getting ready to do a pheasant hunt. We're at Show Me Birds. Y'all stay tuned for some action. It should be a good day. It is a beautiful day here in Kansas. Not a lot of wind. It's going to be about 60 degrees, bright and sunny, so enjoy the footage. Alright guys, gearing up.
Sit.
Hey Mo.
Sit. Sit.
Good girl. Hey, good girl now.
Camera? Yeah, I'm going to tag it along with it today.
Alright, that must be Terry's.
Here's a sack full, and then I've got a box here. A box.
Okay. I'm just gonna weigh my vest down with these things.
But I'll have some more chips in case we need them.
When we come back to the truck, I'll grab that box.
Okay.
I ain't gonna shoot that many in one field, I don't think. That'd be pretty bad, wouldn't it?
Well, I'll tell you what. I've done it before.
Well, I'll stick it in my other box.
So, we'll take 2 boxes. I always do, just so I don't have to.
Carrying a lot of weight, but
We will.
A little further away from the trucks than normal.
okay.
You got the run herd all since last time?
Yeah, I mean, runner, he's got a farm down there. Get out on the Ranger drive.
Y'all ready?
Keep this way.
See what you smell there.
Come here. Come here. Hey. Show it to me.
Show it to me.
Oh, there it goes. All here. Here.
He still says it.
Yeah.
I think she jumped out and ran. Alright, let's put one right here on this trail, one over here on this, and we'll just spread out kind of wide and push this little front edge.
This trail here, Jerry?
Yep, there's a, should be a good trail.
Talking
right
about
there.
this one right here?
Somewhere in
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Alright, dogs, up, 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 up.
Boom!
Woo-hoo! I think you got her. Mia, here.
Good girl. Here.
Mia, here. What's Gus doing right there? Mia, show us. Show it to me. Oh, bird! Sit down. We drew a feather. You gone.
Right on the ground on the edge, though.
All right, dogs. Hip, 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 hip.
Molly here. Got one up here.
Mia, wait.
Molly.
You guys ready? All right, Mia. Mia! Here. Molly, here. Hey. Hit. Go girl.
Got
Go
your
girl.
rooster, Molly.
All right, man. Go. Kill her. Nice. Mia here. Mia here. Molly here. Molly. Good girl, Mia. Molly, here. Here. Sit. Sit. January 15th. Right here, Mia. Go that way. Go on over close to that edge.
Yep, I can't. I'm gonna shoot a dog. It's running on the ground. Yeah. There he goes. Running on across the ground like a damn chicken.
Yeah, these little timber edges. These look pretty good on Monday afternoon.
Which way you go?
He flew that way. He's just running across the ground with a dog a foot right behind his butt. Wasn't gonna take a chance. So.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Moving, that's like it was right.
He's on it again.
I mean, there you go. got it again. Bubber. Molly, here. Good girl.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I nailed that one, but there goes another damn pheasant.
What you doing up there, Ava? Here, wait. Wait. Come in. Right here next to you. Alright, ready? Alright, man.
Get it! You'll get warmed up and you'll start making hits. Yep. Here's your second chance, Gary. Yeah.
Washed up on me.
That's all right. I saw feathers when I pulled the trigger, so I think you got them.
You hit that one the first go.
Yeah.
Justin got something in between too. Alright, man, show us. Where's it at, Gus? Right here.
Only took 3 tries, but I got it.
Yeah. I think I got about 45 pictures on that. Shotgun sells are cheap. Here. Lost my Ava. There she is, right here. Get ready.
Think that bird got. That was me. That was my first AD. It was straight up in the air, but.
Ball here.
Guess that means Terry sees it.
Show it to me, man.
Ooh.
Ball here. No bird. No bird here. Right there in front of you, Dean. Alright, man, show it to me. That was hit twice, I know.
Yeah.
It ain't flying good. But it flew a long freaking way.
Well,
Looks like it hit a tree. Right there in front of you, Dean. Alright, man, show it to me. That was hit twice, I know.
yeah.
It ain't flying good. But it flew a long freaking way.
Well,
Looks like it hit a tree. You got a point, Terry. Right? Yeah, I see it. Alright, man, show it to me. Where we at, kids? Come on, hip. Kill it. All here, no bird.
oh, Jesus.
No bird. No bird.
Down there in the mile
Yeah. Here. Figured that 12 gauge would reach it.
Well, improved cylinder, I don't know. I mean, right at the beak, pull the trigger. No, no. I don't know.
Nice.
That's how it's
Good job,
supposed to
Terry.
happen.
Stepped on it. I mean, I literally stepped on it. Good girl, Mia. Damn. Just whoa. Alright, man, show it to me. Find it, Mia. Show it to me, Mia. Mia, hey. Mia, show it to me. Go. I'm wondering if it's walking on him. thought we were doing that the way they were pushing. No, my bird. One 2 feet from my gun barrel when it took off. Patch it up, Ava. You got 2 out of 3 there. I'm gonna caught that one. Patch it up, Ava. Good point. Find it, man.
Sweet.
You can go with truck now.
Yeah.
Good girl, here. Here. I'm right here. Can't you see me?
The wing's right over her eyeballs.
Guys, I hate to tell you, but
We're out of field.
we have officially gone through 29 birds.
Yep.
I'm hoping we got about 20 of them dead. I don't know what we got killed, but I think we'll wander up, get some more shells, take a break. Then we're gonna start hitting timber in the back corners. See, we might actually drive to the back.
Okay.
Might be better off just to drive down there than walk and waste some time.
Well, one rooster was in here on the way back. So
Yeah.
I busted on the way back, but yep, this is we're doing tough shooting though.
I'm hoping we'd do better just skipping the Milo and pushing up and seeing what we end up with.
Okay. Making head was up here and was coming down.
Right there in that fence row, or in that
Yep.
hedgerow right
Let's
there.
go this one right here.
Running down the damn hedgerow.
They just cut in to the left, so. Guys, here. Wait up for a second. They cut in, it's seen us, it's gonna hide.
About 100 yards out.
Oh, it ain't that far. It's only about 40 now. I was saying about that little brown spot right
Yeah, that's where I saw it, right in front of that, cut off to the left.
there. It smells it.
Yep.
It's cool to watch them when they change that scent.
Mm-hmm. How old a dog is she? About 8, 9?
She's about 8.
Yeah.
Come here, Gus. Should be here real close, guys. Mia.
Gus.
Say it cut in right in here somewhere. Going that way.
Yeah. That's too far damn away.
Bam!
Yeah.
Right there at the end of the mile.
Yep.
Boy, she was booking up.
She was hooking.
Yeah. That thing flushed at 70 yards. Kinda, I'm on a mission to save the shells for the next hunt because I ain't got many left. Yeah.
Kill it! Good shot. There we go. It's all on Molly, Dean. All mine are over here. Up there, Rick! Dean, you must have seen the whites in that rooster's eye.
Never. I was concentrated on
Molly's got a bird. That's a hen. Was that?
the hand from over here.
I thought that one was a rooster. I thought.
Got a beautiful piece of tail.
Huh? Oh, it had a good tail on it. Yeah.
I'm gonna go down the middle of the next one.
All right.
Gary, you're gonna go all the way next to the timber over here. You're gonna be the last line of defense. Alright. And if we see quail in here, shoot them. Up here, over here, go. Gary, come through.
Here you go over there with it.
That was a covey. There's probably more. There's one.
No. You were good. I stopped 10 yards before I got to Terry.
We didn't kill one of them dang things, did we? That's fun though.
This is the second time we've got quail in this field.
Last year, the same field.
Yeah.
And it's both right here. Who shot it? This one right here. Right?
Me.
All right, come on, Hep.
I saw the cedar tree behind it explode.
Did you get it?
No.
Shot the hell out of that cedar tree.
Yeah. It flew in front of that cedar on the last shot, and that's where I saw the cedar branches just go.
You know, you're expecting pheasant and you see those wolves.
Yeah.
That's the first quail I've ever seen in my life.
Quail coming back north.
I think somebody got it.
I think that might have been one we hit.
Up there it comes.
There it comes, Dick.
Oh, ho, 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 yeah!
Here, Mom. Here.
Right there it is. Here, give it here. Give it here. All right. If that thing ain't tore up, I'm mounting that son of a bitch.
The dog spot over there.
Yeah.
Nothing left of that.
Yeah.
Here.
I smacked that one right in the freaking schnoggin, man.
Another one.
Quail, right.
It went down.
Be ready for it. It's going to pop back up. That might be a cripple.
Yeah!
We got two. One's over by the cedar tree, went down. Woo!
Okay, we got a doggone bird right here in front of me. Please don't.
Walk into it.
Good girl, Molly, here.
They may be smelling where they were.
Here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Molly gets the quail tree?
Yeah. Fetch it up, Mia.
Got one.
Well, the other one's all the way up by that cedar tree up there. So we only had one down close to us.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, looks like it.
Hey,
Sir.
right behind you, Gus. Looks like he's birdie.
Where you at, Gus?
Looked her.
There's a pin right here. Then we walked right here. We walked right by. Mia.
Here, I'm getting in front of you. I'm getting over this way.
Y'all get over here, too.
Yeah.
Watch your chops, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure they're going up. Mia, show us.
It's coming over. Nope, they got it. It flew down that hedgerow.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Man, what the hell was that? I hear it. I think he's in a tree. He's in a cedar tree. He's in this cedar right here, I'm pretty sure is where I saw him. God damn sun's right in my freaking eyes. There he is. I see him.
Good burn.
Yeah. Fetch it up. That's right. You put something on a limb and I'll shoot that son of a bitch. Well, could you imagine being some of the neighbors out here? If you had you a bird dog, you'd have all the free damn hunting you could stand.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah. This is our prized. That's awesome.
I can fix her. I think.
That is so cool.
And you got two roosters. A couple of roosters. Give to Jonathan, please. If you don't mind. They'll breast them out.
Yeah, Jonathan.
Put them up evenly. Okay.
So, Jared, that's Mia.
Mia,
This little Brittany is
Molly,
Molly,
Ava,
Ava, and Gus.
and Gus.
This here
And
is
Molly.
too.
Big retriever of the day.
Doing good.
She's using that nose.
Yeah.
She's getting it figured out.
She'll be 2 the end of January.
Oh, she's gonna start ripping
Yeah.
here real shortly. She'll be in it. Now let me ask you a question, Jonathan.
Yep.
Is that the biggest cock you ever held?
You asked me that last time. The answer's still no.
Good photo. Good photo.
Right on. Sweet man.
Hey, thanks. 5 inches.
Terry, I appreciate you lending me some shells. I'm gonna return the shells that I didn't shoot.
just put them in. We cut it close, didn't we?
Yeah, a grand total of 5 shells. Alright guys, so we just finished our hunt. We're getting ready to drive home for the day. Everything went pretty good. We had several misses, but the birds were flushing out like 70 yards, a lot of them. I'm sure it's going to look pretty far away on the camera, but great hunt. We got into a few coveys of quail. It was just awesome. But I highly recommend that you check out Show Me Birds, Baxter Springs, Kansas. Guys, the hospitality here is amazing. They'll cook for you. They got dessert for you, drinks, clean restrooms, everything. So it was a great day. And even though Terry got familiarized with a few butt cheeks, we'll tell you about that some other day. All right. Anyway, over and out, guys.